welcome back to Cruising as Crew. It is currently 8:30 in the morning and I start work at 9 because we have a delivery this morning. We are in Portsmouth. So yeah, I'm gonna go and grab some coffee and then head to work so we can process this delivery. Let's go. I would like to reach out my hand on myself.
This is next 6 left, right? Okay. Yeah.
Can you read out the numbers?
I'm gonna go to thank you. Excuse me.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out.
Sunny Portsmouth.
It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to
A new team member.
Yay! Out of quarantine.
You look very rested.
I'm alright.
Introduce yourself.
Give it a day.
Come, baby. You look positive.
You can leave those behind my
So the plan was that we were going to break for lunch and then come back and just work like the whole day and smash it all out, because I'm not, even though the shop looks fine and every other shop looks fine, it like the back end isn't done. So that was the plan, but because we're in Portsmouth today and we have just been granted shore leave, our manager has very nicely said, let's just like get the shops like looking okay, finish for today so we can go out in Portsmouth, which is nice, and then we'll just come in tomorrow and work, because the idea was we were going to have a bit like tomorrow off, I think, like a big chunk of tomorrow off, but we might be at sea tomorrow, so he says it makes sense to have time off while you're in port and you can now get off than have time off on a sea day. So yeah, so now I have tidied up the shop, I'm going to go for lunch and then I'm going to go out in Portsmouth, and I don't know, I don't really need anything, but it's very exciting. I have just got back from having lunch. I'm really full now. Putu has been and changed my sheets, so I'll have a nice new bed tonight, which is really lovely. But I think I'll make that when I get back. So I'm going to get ready now, and me and Julie are going to go out in Portsmouth. I'm so excited. This is like the first real shore leave we've had in a while. Okay, I am ready to go. So let's go and get Julia. Hello there.
Oh, hello.
Hello there. You're going out.
You filming already?
What are you doing? Right now, laundry.
Washing my bedding.
Yeah, you look
Oh, that's a nice
lovely.
jacket.
Oh wow, you look so nice.
It's a bit.
How was quarantine?
Alright. It's fucking boring.
Yeah. How long are you in for? 3 days.
Today, I've been in 6 full days.
Shit, that went fast.
Yeah.
When he came, I was like, no way, 10 days already passed. Like,
Yeah, no.
Yeah, they let me early because I did a PCR yesterday and today. Both were negatives. They said, but you should have seen it when they said I was positive and they went to take me to my sailor cabin. They got me out of the room, they were like, okay, stand here, and they fogged it. And as I was walking, they were fogging everything behind me, sort of making the crew move out of the way.
Really?
It's like I had leprosy. Yeah.
Shit.
The full works.
oh wow, that's amazing.
That's really good.
We were
Which one's it?
Take us all in the port.
Yay! Ahoy! Okay. Oh, they have Easter eggs! I forgot it's nearly Easter.
Yeah, very soon.
Yeah. M&S! Oh, I'm so happy.
And those all shops, they are outlets, so the prices here are really good and
Really?
discount. Yeah.
Oh, this is exciting!
Where do we go first?
You feel misunderstood. Say what's the remedy? We'd be like minded if we could, but that's not the case. Oh, the wind will turn. Don't be concerned. Oh, I can learn. When we end deciding games and we don't pull on both ways, we can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it, we will do it. Sweet rain and honest truth is what I get from you. No matter how hard I get the blues, you keep me steady, yet loose. When we end deciding games and we don't pull on both ways, we can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame.
So, I have just got back from going out in Portsmouth. It was so nice to just have shore leave. And I know to you guys watching, it was probably like, what's the big fuss about? But when you haven't been on land for 2 weeks, it doesn't sound that long, but it feels like it. So when you haven't been on land for 2 weeks, it's really nice to be able to just do that. So yeah, lovely to go into Portsmouth, walk around the shops, have a coffee, met some of the guys. Very chilled afternoon. So now I'm gonna make my bed, and I think I'm gonna have a little nap. I'm knackered because, as I said this morning, I didn't really sleep last night because I was like thinking of work all night or dreaming of work.
This will be your last call. This will be your last call.
So I did a bit of editing and then I had a nap, and it was a bit silly really because it's like 8 PM, so I'll struggle to get to sleep tonight. But I was just so tired, I was literally falling asleep while I was doing my editing. So yeah, but we got some very exciting news earlier today. ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Crew Bar is opening tonight. So for those of you who don't know, Crew Bar has not been open once since I have been on board. And Crew Bar is a good time. So I'm gonna go for dinner now. I'm gonna come back and get ready, and we're gonna have a good night. Dinner time. Whoa. Are you ready?
I am ready. Are you ready?
Oh, you got changed.
I put t-shirt
Yeah,
instead
I like
of-
it. It's nice.
I feel more comfortable.
Yes, I am wearing a dress. I've got like loads of layers on though. So basically, Crew Bar is in. Where is
They
it?
open deck 15 in athletic club.
Yes. Aquatic Club, but it's we're at sea and we've just left Portsmouth, so it is going to be absolutely freezing. So we've got all. Oh yeah, this is.
So we've got layer and
Yeah,
layer.
layers. I've got like 2 vests on, so hopefully I'll be warm enough. And I think I'm gonna wear this hat as well.
You
So
can take it with you just
I'm
in
gonna wear
case,
the hat.
yeah.
But anyway, it's gonna be a good night. I'm really excited. I know, first Crew Bar, this contract.
Proper. I mean, we didn't have it all.
No, we haven't. No, we haven't had it at all. This contract. We had it on Scarlet for a bit, but not on here. So anyway, let's go and have a good night. Woo!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could.
Oh, look a bit flushed, don't I? So, just got back. It is now 2:30 in the morning. I've had a damn good old boogie. I had a dance, had a drink, and just had a lovely, lovely evening. So, feeling like a new woman, honestly, just being able to like socialise and have a dance and actually like meet people who are on board. Like, oh, so that's where you work, that's what your name is. Like, I've seen you around, but I haven't actually like introduced myself. So yeah, it was really, really, really lovely. Absolutely freezing, but lovely. Thank God for my hat, because otherwise I think I would have got a bit of hypothermia. But anyway, I am going to go to bed in my new bedding because I've changed it today. The Crew Bar has opened for the first time this evening, and it was everyone knew that it was going to be busy and people were going to go for it, because we haven't had the crew bar for the whole time that we've been on board, and so people have been on board like 3 months. So it was kind of common knowledge that it was going to be, actually, to be quite honest, it was a lot tamer than I thought it was going to be. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to go to bed. I hope you have a great evening, whatever you decide to do, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.